Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 BMW R18, a motorcycle that blends classic heritage with modern engineering in a way that only BMW can. If you're a fan of timeless cruisers with serious power, this bike might just be your next dream ride. First things first, let's talk about design. The R18 captures the essence of BMW's historical roots, echoing the iconic R5 from the 1930s. Every detail, from the massive exposed shaft drive to the elegant chrome accents, shows BMW's dedication to craftsmanship. The frame is simple and sturdy, emphasizing the bike's retro look, but with a build that's unmistakably modern. Now let's dive into what powers this beast. The R18 packs a mighty 802cc air-cooled boxer engine, producing 91 horsepower and 116 pound-feet of torque. This engine doesn't just look impressive, it sounds like thunder when it roars to life. BMW's design ensures that power delivery feels smooth yet exhilarating, making every twist of the throttle a thrill. The 2025 R18 also comes equipped with a suite of features that make it a joy to ride. It includes riding modes like rain, roll, and rock, so you're always in control, no matter the road or weather. And for those who want a more customizable experience, the R18 offers a range of accessories, from saddlebags to different seat options, giving riders the flexibility to make it uniquely their own. But it's not just about looks and power. The R18 handles beautifully. With a low center of gravity and advanced suspension, it feels surprisingly nimble for its size. Whether you're cruising down a straight highway or taking on tight corners, the R18 feels steady and responsive, inspiring confidence every mile of the journey. So, there you have it, the 2025 BMW R18. It's a perfect blend of classic cruiser style with BMW's modern engineering. If you're looking for a bike with personality, performance, and that unmistakable vintage feel, the R18 could be the one. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this look, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, ride safe.